Hello everyone, this video will show you how to set up FamiGuard Monisen for monitoring the target device. Before you start, there are something you should know. 1. You need physical access to the target computer. 2. Do not use this product for illegal purposes. 3. Monisen has two parts, the desktop software and the online dashboard. 4. We strongly recommend you add the desktop software to the whitelist of any antivirus software or security software to prevent the program from being killed or its features failing to function properly. 5. You should use the private browsing mode to download this tool or clear the browsing history to avoid leaving any installation traces. 6. You need a FamiGuard account to have your dashboard and pick a suitable purchasing plan before installation. Step 1. Download the program onto the target computer. To begin, you need to physically access the target computer and paste this URL into any browser to download the software. Step 2. Install the software and follow the guide to finish the configuration. Log in your account and activate the account on this device. Add our software to the whitelist of antivirus software. Different antivirus tools have different methods, and you can follow our guide to make it. Step 3. Install the Chrome extension, and this is an optional choice. Copy the file address of the Monisen Chrome extension. Go to Extensions, Manage Extension. Turn on Developer Mode and Load Up Act. After doing this, you can verify the setup now. On your dashboard, you can check the new device's data. With successful installation, you can see all this target computer's activities.